To make our students' learning experience more relevant, we have a strong relations between the industries and more than 100 university collaborations both within and outside India. Recently, we had two strong MoUs, one with the Space Application Center of ISRO Ahmedabad, where our large number of students are doing the internship, and they are also involved in a very good project related to India mission. Last week we had another MOU with the Mahindra and Mahindra in Mumbai, which collaborates for a larger industry internship as well as the faculty development programs. The students are also performing an excellence outside even academics. I am very happy to announce our students got the gold medal in the World University Games in China, and also the silver medal in the recent Asian Games. We are also very happy that the faculty are also participating in the very important academic and the research forums, and also getting the laurels for themselves as to the university. I am very happy also to inform the university is being recognized as the pride of Rajasthan, and the award is given by the Chief Minister of Rajasthan recently. So this university would like to be the most preferred education institution in the northern part of India in the recent times. Thank you.